I'm Jamie.
Hi, I'm Carrie.
Hi, I'm Joe.
And I'm Glenn.
I'm Chanel.
And I'm Julia.
And we're going to try to get some peanut butter flavors today. Try this.
Guess that.
Peanut butter challenge.
Oh, I forgot to take a bite. You go again.
Should we feed each other?
Okay, yeah, let's try.
Okay.
Just kidding.
Here we go.
Oh. Got my finger. Yum.
Granola? No.
I want to say it's got like
I
a...
taste peanut butter.
Is there more in here?
I feel like maybe like a slight chocolate.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Oh, I just got
Cereal-ish.
a maybe a raisin.
But it's
My
crunchy
taste
though.
buds are the worst. I can't even guess.
It's shaved, whatever it is.
You ready to find out?
Yeah.
Is granola, various nuts, and honey.
Granola.
Oh, okay.
Sniff.
Sniff.
It smells the same as the other one.
I feel like I'm getting a little bit of a maple hint.
What? Can I not smell?
Hazelnut?
Isn't it funny? That's just what I was about to say.
Uh-huh.
You beat me to
I'm
it.
sure.
Uh-oh. I felt something fall off.
What?
Ooh.
You know when you get the trail mix bag, there's one of the nuts. I don't know the name of it though.
Brazil nut?
Brazil nut.
There's definitely pretzels in here. Like, I feel them.
I'm willing to
I'm
bet
not.
there's no pretzels in
Okay,
there.
but there's something. It's not the granola.
Ready to find out?
Yeah.
Pretzels and white chocolate.
Ooh.
I
didn't
knew
get
it.
the white chocolate, though.
I didn't either, but I knew the pretzel. I know a pretzel when I bite into a pretzel.
Man, this reminds me of something, and I'm trying to think of it. I can't put my finger on it. This is blueberry.
Oh, okay. Here we go. I'm pretty sure it's a raspberry. I think blueberry would be a little more tart.
I'm gonna go blueberry on it.
I got an actual piece of like dried fruit. It's definitely a raspberry.
You guys want to know?
Yeah.
Blueberry,
Yes! Sorry.
chocolate.
Good job, Glenn. I'm really proud of you.
I feel
Ooh.
this might be another chocolatey one.
I want this in a candle.
I'm thinking s'more.
I don't taste any
You
chocolate.
don't taste any chocolate, neither do I.
This one is salty.
Very salty, I would say. Also, I'm getting that salt forward
Oh my god.
taste.
Salted caramel. If it's not, we gotta go.
You ready?
Yes.
Creamy caramel, pink Himalayan salt.
Ooh, it's Himalayan salt.
Deluxe.
Like the little,
wow.
I did not see that coming.
This has been a hell of a journey. I couldn't have done this without you.
I know.
This one's got secrets.
Only you would know.
It seems like they put something kapow, you know.
This is definitely like more buttery, like a nut butter.
Like a nut butter.
Did you ever have nut butter,
Yeah.
Glenn? Yeah?
Have you ever had nut butter?
I can't
Carrie?
actually say.
Oh, I got it. I know what it is. It's wasabi.
No.
Yes, that's what it is. I knew I was waiting. I was like, what is this? I couldn't get it. It is wasabi. Like 100%.
I'm going to go cinnamon.
Whatever I got now is chewy.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Oh, yeah. I just got one too.
That's got marshmallow in it.
This is
That's
s'mores.
that
S'mores.
is
S'mores.
s'mores.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Grams, marshmallow, and chocolate.
Oh!
Yes!
What's up? Home run. Give me a high five.
Wait, what? Wait.
Wasabi, s'mores, you know, same thing.
Wait a second. Wait.
At least I said cinnamon.